Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make automatic repeating firing dispenser in Minecraft. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, grab a redstone repeater and place it down. Then go to the opposite side and place another repeater facing it so they line up correctly. Next, take some redstone dust and place it on both sides to create a small circuit connecting the repeaters. After that, place another piece of redstone dust in front and add a repeater facing away from the circuit, just like shown. Once that's done, place your dispenser directly in front of that repeater. Now it's time to trigger the system. To do this, place a redstone torch so the circuit powers up. Once everything is lit, quickly break one piece of redstone dust and place it back again. You'll notice the circuit starts looping, meaning it's now repeating automatically. After the circuit is running, load your dispenser with arrows. As soon as you do, the dispenser will begin firing rapidly. To make things easier, you can add a lever to control it. Place the lever while holding Shift, then right-click it to turn the dispenser on or off whenever you want. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.